If you find exposed or almost rubbed through compressor wires, you need to stop the system and address the wiring immediately to prevent shorts and system failure. First, shut off power at the breaker and verify the unit is de-energized before touching anything. Inspect the full run of the wire to identify the source of abrasion and any nearby vibration points that could cause repeated rubbing. Clean the area and remove any sharp edges or contact points that created the wear. Then reroute the cable away from moving components and secure it with plastic or metal clips spaced every 6 to 8 inches for strain relief. For minor outer sheath damage, wrap the damaged section with high-quality electrical tape, using overlapping turns until the insulation is built up and smooth. Then add a layer of self-fusing silicone tape for moisture protection if the environment is damp. If the conductor itself is nicked or any copper is visible, replace that length of wire or the entire lead, using the correct gauge and heat-resistant insulation to match the original specifications. When in doubt or where the compressor leads, enter the motor housing, consult a licensed technician, because motor lead repairs and terminal block work require tools and procedures that avoid future failure. Common mistakes include re-energizing the system without confirming full isolation, which risks shock and further shorts. So always lock out the breaker and test with a meter before proceeding. Another frequent error is using low-quality or non-electrical tape, which will degrade quickly. Instead, use a premium electrical tape and consider additionally applying self-fusing silicone tape for a long-lasting seal. Third is leaving the wire path unchanged after a temporary repair so the wire will wear through again. Secure and reroute the cable to eliminate contact points and support it so it cannot move into the same damage zone. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for jobs like wiring and compressor repairs and to help contractors find work in their service area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange tips and share experiences about system longevity and safe repair practices.